A serious case is now linked to Norway's royal family. Marius Borg Høiby, the 29-year-old son of Crown Princess Mette-Marit, is currently standing trial in Oslo on multiple criminal charges. The case has drawn strong attention both in Norway and internationally. Marius was born in 1997 from Crown Princess Mette-Marit's past relationship with Morten Borg, before her marriage to Crown Prince Haakon in 2001. This makes him the Crown Prince's stepson. He grew up in the royal household, but he is not a member of the royal line. He holds no royal title, performs no official duties, and is not in the line of succession to the throne. Since 2024, Marius has faced multiple legal issues, beginning with his arrest on August 4th in the so-called Frogner woman case, involving an alleged violent assault on his then-girlfriend in Oslo's Frogner district. Police were called to the scene and briefly detained him before releasing him. However, investigators later found evidence on his phone of earlier incidents dating back to 2018. This led authorities to contact other alleged victims and expand the scope of the investigation. Further short-term arrests followed in September and November 2024 for related violations. Despite this, he remained free while awaiting trial until February 1, 2026, when new allegations led to his arrest. He has remained in custody since February 2nd, after being remanded over concerns about the risk of reoffending. The current trial began on February 3, 2026, at Oslo District Court. He now faces a total of 38 charges. These include rape, domestic violence, assault, threats, drug-related offenses, secretly filming people without consent, traffic violations, and recent allegations involving a knife and violations of a restraining order. On the first day of trial, Marius pleaded not guilty to the most serious charges, especially the 4 counts of rape and related sexual assault allegations. Under Norwegian law, he entered partial guilty pleas to some lesser offenses, including aggravated assault, reckless behavior, drug transport, and traffic violations. Several key moments have stood out during the proceedings. Marius took the stand for the first time and became emotional, breaking down in tears during his testimony. He denied that the videos found on his phone showed rape. He said he did not remember recording some incidents and claimed the encounters were consensual, based on his understanding. He also spoke about long-term media pressure since childhood because of his mother's position and described having an extreme need for affirmation linked to his background. One alleged victim testified that she felt betrayed and shocked after police showed her videos from a past incident, including one from 2018. She said she suspected she may have been drugged, describing a big black hole in her memory where she could not recall what happened after a certain moment. If convicted on the most serious charges, Marius could face up to 10 years in prison. The case has placed the royal family under even greater public scrutiny. Crown Princess Mette-Marit, who suffers from a serious lung condition, has also faced renewed attention, not over her health, but because her name appeared in more than 900 emails released by the U.S. Department of Justice related to past contact with Jeffrey Epstein after his 2008 conviction. She has since issued statements expressing regret. Crown Prince Haakon has emphasized that Marius is being treated as an ordinary citizen with the same rights and responsibilities as anyone else, while also expressing continued family support. Strict court restrictions have been imposed on the trial, including a ban on photographing the defendant or the alleged victims inside or outside the courtroom. The verdict is expected several weeks after the trial concludes, which is scheduled to end on March 19th.